Hey, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to verify your domain in Facebook Business Manager. If you have been using the Facebook ad platform for a while, you'd have seen this pop-up notification as regards Apple's iOS 14 update. And one of the requirements from Facebook for you to prepare for this update is to verify your domain, and that's why I'll be showing you how to do the simplest and easiest method which you can verify within 5 to 7 minutes. So let's get started into today's training. Okay, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, because we drop valuable content every Thursday. We discuss topics related to Facebook advertisements, WordPress, Canva, Elementor, Sales Funnel, and the likes. We break down these complex tech concepts in a way you can easily understand. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to visit your Facebook Business Manager dashboard. If you don't know how to do that, just click on, if you have an account already, just go to business.facebook.com/overview. So that will take you to your Business Manager. Then you select the Business Manager account that you want to work on. So once you have done that, click on this Business Tools, then Business Settings. After you have done that, scroll a little, then click on Brand Safety, and then you click on Domains. Now, as you can see, I have not set up any of my domain. I have not verified any of my domain, and it's because I wanted to do this tutorial for you guys, though I have some verified domains on other business manager. So what do? Click on this add. So I want to verify my personal website domain. Now, first thing you need to note is this: don't use HTTPS or www. So what do? Just type in the domain only. So and also notice you cannot verify subdomains. You need to verify the the root domain. That is, if you're having a website like store.adelekesamuel.com, you need to verify the adelekesamuel.com, which is your root domain. So let's go ahead. Then you click on add domain. Now after you click on the add domain, you will see 3 options which you can use to verify the domain. There is the DNS verification option, the HTML file upload option, and the meta tag verification. Now, I understand most of us are not too technical. We are not a techie, right? So one of the easiest and fastest way to do this verification is to use this meta tag verification, which I will show you how to do that within 5 minutes. Though this DNS verification works always, but might not want to tamper with your DNS records. Do you get it now? So let's just use this meta tag verification. So what do? Copy this meta tag. Do you get it now? Then go to your WordPress website, log into your dashboard, then visit plugins. So you want to install a plugin if you don't have it yet. So come to this search plugins and type insert header and footer. Awesome. So I already have it activated. in my account. Do you get it now? So if you do not have it activated, just click on this install. After installing, then you want activate. So once you have done that, come to settings, then click on insert headers and footers. Okay, now make sure you are installing the script, or you are pasting the script on the script in header section. That's where you should post it, or paste it rather. Okay, so now just in case you have Pixel installed on your WordPress using this same insert header and footer plugin, what do you need to do? Just drop it down from this Facebook Pixel code, then go back to your Facebook Business Manager to copy this meta tag. Once you have done that, you want paste it here. Can you see? So we have it pasted. Okay, so let's click on save. Can you see it has been saved? Now, first thing you want to do is let's verify manually if the pixel if the meta tag is on our website. So how do you do that? Visit your website. So we'll view the page source. So we want to confirm if the meta tag is already on our website. So just click on this and view page source depending on the browser you are using. Then Ctrl F and paste it there. Paste the code. Can you see? So we have the code on our website already. Now once you have done that, now please listen, if you are using any cache plugin on your WordPress website, maybe WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache, or whatever cache plugin that you are using, make sure you clear cache after you have done that. I'm not using any cache plugin on my website here for this particular website, so make sure you clear your website cache. So once you have done that, go back to your business manager and then click on this verify. Now listen, there are times if you click on it, it might not work immediately. Do you get it now? So you might just come back maybe after some hours, maybe 1 or 2. So but let's click on it, let's see what happens. Awesome. adelikesamuel.com is verified. Simple, that's all. Can you see? This should not take you 5 minutes, but because I am explaining to you, that is why it took us some time. Can you see? adelikesamuel.com is verified, done. So let me refresh this page. Can you see it is verification pending, probably browser error. So let me refresh, then we know what's up. Can you see? adelikesamuel.com is verified. So you can decide to assign, if you have people running advert for you. Can you see the green tick, status verified? So you can assign people, partners, and do whatever thing. You can also verify multiple domains on your business manager account. So guys, I think this is very simple to understand. Please, if you love this video, kindly click the like button below, because when you do that, Facebook will be able to show this tutorial, this easy to implement tutorial video to others. And kindly subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Kindly subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.